Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, video on today, we will be unboxing the September IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Okay, now for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I'll leave all the information down below. You can go ahead and check it out and decide if you would like to subscribe for yourself. Okay, and there is a link below, so all you have to do is just click on it and keep it moving. So, as you know, IPSY has changed the game on us. They allow us to choose 3 of our products. 3. Okay, and they've changed the bags that we get, and this month's bag happens to look like this, okay, which is rather nice because it does not say super duper girly. You know, I can pack my husband's things in it when he goes away on a trip, or you know, his shaving gear, things like that, and he won't sit there and say, girl, you lost your mind, what you giving me this girly bag for? So that I do like about this one. I love the color, and this is true to what you see. It is a burgundy bag. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what's here. Okay, this one says good vibes. Okay, and it says this month radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle, yes, to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. Okay, now it says, of course, we have to go on to IPSY.com so that we can find out about this month's products. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to keep it moving. So the very first item that I have, this was chosen by IPSY, and this is a repeat, y'all. I do have this already. The foaming peeling puff, and this one is the close-up firming. Okay, and it says beloved by editors and pros alike. When it comes to sheet masks, Star Skin is the ultimate experience. This K-beauty brand, award-winning by the way, masks are designed with biocellulose technology to create a spa-worthy experience every time you use it. Okay, and it does give us instructions on how to use it, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for the 2 is $17.25. Okay, then let's see what the next item we have is. The Tracy Mini Lip Glaze Set. Okay, oh, these are beautiful. All right, and it says reinvent the rules with this luscious lip glaze in petite travel ready mini crayons. And the shades that come in this box right here are Shell Beach Sheer, Paris Pink, Georgia Peach, and English Rose. Okay, all right. This right here, this cannot possibly be correct. This says this is a full size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item right here. This is $48. $48. But nonetheless, it says Tracique simplifies the way we use, carry, and apply makeup with customizable products that help you get ready in 5 minutes flat and are perfect for any occasion. Okay. All right, I don't think I want to swatch this because I do have a couple of their, oh, this is a gloss. This may very well end up in a giveaway, so we're gonna hold on to that as well, okay? The next item is an item that I myself chose, of course, because as I stated in the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 items. Now this one is Eyeshadow. Okay, I just love their packaging. It's really, really gorgeous. Okay, and this is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. How about a package like that sitting on your dresser or on your vanity? It's beautiful. Okay, let's just check and see what IPSY has to say about this product. It says Hydra Veil, which is both a hydrator and a primer in one, instantly moisturizes and smooths your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula is oddly satisfying and super addictive. And it says, just like us, Illamasqua champions a self-expression founded in Britain a decade ago, and armed with a team of industry's top makeup artists, Illamasqua is beloved for its high-quality, bold pigments and unexpected color choices. Now, this is a full-size product, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45. Now, I like the fact that it comes, look at the gel, okay, can you see that? Okay, now, it pops open, it will sit this way, and it has a little spatula right on the top, a little spoon, so you can pull it right out. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little off the top. It has the consistency of, I want to say, Jell-O. Okay, Jell-O's not my favorite thing, y'all, but that's what its consistency is like. So I'm just going to take it and rub it in. Yeah, it does. It definitely feels moisturizing, but this is, as they stated, also a primer, which I can definitely tell based on how it feels. It's kind of tacky on the skin, so it definitely would hold on to your makeup. Okay? Okay, and moving right along, the next item that I chose, these 2 right here. Okay, and this is by the company Galactic. This is the 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm Duo in Periwinkle and Twinkle, okay? Quite interesting, don't you think? Periwinkle and Twinkle. This one right here is the Periwinkle, okay? And it says this sparkly balm gives your lips the shimmer and shine you love without any annoying sticky feeling. Customize your look by layering Periwinkle, gives lips a subtle violet sparkle or twinkle, which is this one. And it says it leaves a wash of pink shimmer over or under your go-to lipsticks, okay? These are full size, as a duo, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $34. Now, how about that? Okay, which I love. I really like the way that looks. Okay, so that one is the periwinkle, and this one is the twinkle. Some kind of way, I think that Sidekick is going to try to get a hold of these. I really do, but we shall see. We shall see. So the last item in our IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of September, and of course the last item that I chose as well, is Space Case Cosmetics Custom Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, I do have quite a few eyeshadow palettes, but I really would love to be able to check out the formula and see how that holds up to, you know, some of the other ones that I have. So this one is by the company Space Case Cosmetics, and this is, as I stated, the custom eyeshadow palette. And it says, filled with 4 metallic shimmer shadows in Not Rocket Science, Unicorn Horn, Ghost Entered the Host, and Bellatrix. This celestial inspired palette is exactly what you need to create an endless array of out of this world eye makeup looks. These pillowy soft powders are ultra pigmented, can be applied with just your fingers, and are vegan and cruelty free. All right. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price on this palette is $32. So, what I'm thinking, we're going to play around with 2 shades, I think. And I'm going to use one dry, and I'm going to wet my brush with the other one. And by the way, this palette does come with a mirror that's the length of this palette. So we're going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to take it all over the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to take this shade right here. And I have a wet synthetic brush, so and then I'm just going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to put a little bit right on the brow bone. How's that? Let me just say this to you. I definitely like the way that this shadow has gone on. I think I would pull out maybe a brown eyeshadow and kind of deepen the outer V with this. But I do like how it applied. I like how it looks, and it feels really nice. It's very, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I put eyeshadow on. Okay, so not bad. I'll be okay with that. These are the items that we received in our September IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and below you will see the manufacturer's suggested retail price total for all the items that were included. Now, I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend a little bit of time with me on today. I hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing and the products that we received on this month. Now, I do want to invite you to a very special event on Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put up here the time zones for everyone from Eastern Standard Time to Central to Pacific. Okay, West Coast time, y'all. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come on live. Now, I have a reason why, and I will share it with you at that time. So set your calendar, set your reminder. Join me here at Season Beauties live so that I can share something with you. Okay. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.